Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you why you guys cannot post in your Google Classroom. So just let's start. So the first thing that you guys have to make sure is that you guys are connected to a good internet connection, because if you guys are not connected to a good internet connection, it will be failed sometime. So make sure that you guys are connected to a good and a great internet connection, and also try to restart your router once before uploading anything to your Google Classroom. And after doing the first thing, if the problem still existed, you guys have to open up your task manager, go on to your task manager and search your Chrome. After searching Google Chrome, just right click on the Google Chrome and click on End Task. And after clicking on End Task, your problem of your stuff not uploading to Google Classroom will be fixed, and that's how you guys can easily upload anything on your Google Classroom without any problems. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.